There is a reason why I do numerology. There is a reason why I light up when I do numerology. There is a reason why I love numerology so much. It is the be all and end all for me. When I do my numerology, I can see the whole universe. Some people can see spirits, some people see auras, some people see energy. I see numbers. When I see the numbers, I see how beautiful, mysterious, powerful, sensitive, intuitive, and unique they are. It's ancient vibrations and ancient frequencies that has been there since the beginning of time. Why numerology for me is so crucial, so fundamental, is because on the day we are born, we have chosen those numbers. We have chosen those vibrations. We have chosen to live that frequency. Whether it's a high frequency or a low frequency, a fast frequency or a slow frequency. And each number will show up differently with different vibrations. When you know your real numbers, when you know what your core numbers are, your essence, your soul essence shines through. It's like there's a soul recognition. And whenever I am talking to the client and they get to see their numbers and they get it, they embrace it, they enjoy it, and they own it. That's when they have soul recognition. It's like their soul has come home. I was sitting with a client who was a number 7, very serious, very overthinking, very analytical. So the wife is number 7 and the husband is a number 3. Happy, joyful, very much a joking, very much the jokester. But he had very responsible numbers in the front. And she had very serious numbers. And the minute I said, "You're number 3. You are a funny bunny. You love joking and playing and being joyful, and you just like to mess around." And you should have seen him go, yes. Like his little eyes light up, and the wife was going, "Are you sure?" And I go, "Yes, that's a number 3." And it felt like somebody truly understood him. Somebody finally let him be himself. His number 3 just wanted to be joyful, have fun, joke, and not take things so seriously. But her number 7 was like, "No, why can't you think about this?" When we are embracing our numbers, when we are living our numbers, we are living our truth. We are living what we are meant to live. And this is why I do the numerology that I do. My why is the wonderment, the self-knowledge, and the living your truth. And this is why I created this program. Living Your Truth program that allows you to see your numbers in every level, every aspect of your life. How you dressed, how you live, how you work, how you love, how you parent. So everything is alive with the numbers. And when you live your truth, it becomes intrinsic and aligned. You're not pretending to be someone else. You're not a happy-go-lucky number 5 that doesn't plan, trying to be a disciplined number 4. So what you are is you are embracing who you are as your soul essence. And when you are living your soul essence, you are living your truth.